I'd say the van's about a 7 out of 10 for cleanliness. What's up guys, welcome to the video. So tonight we've got another stealth camp for you guys. I haven't really decided where it's going to be yet. Got a few things in mind. Actually, you probably already know because I probably titled the video the place we're going to stealth camp. But my two thoughts are going to be there's a Starbucks nearby and there's also a Home Depot. So my bike's actually out of the van right now. Look how much more spacious it is. How good is that? So much better when there's just the one bike in here. If only the roof was a little higher. Alright, my bike's back in the van. I'm going to hit the library for about an hour, go find Taylor. We'll see you guys soon. Right, so it's 6 o'clock, the library just closed. We're going to head down to Wholefoods now. We've actually got to do a bit of a shop, stock up on a few things, and then we'll see about camping, stealth camping over near the Starbucks or the Home Depot. Taylor's not too sure about the spots because they're kind of, Home Depot's pretty exposed and the Starbucks is a pretty small lot, so it might be, you know, a bit too close for comfort to the actual building. So we'll go up there and we'll see anyway. Guys, check it out. Got a food haul and we actually have vegetables. A few of you have been saying we should do something different, so tonight we're doing a ramen. Broccoli.
Yeah, I know what to do with this. We've been learning about how pasta might be sprayed with glyphosate. So we've been getting organic pasta now.
Well, wheat, not just pasta.
Oh, whole wheat?
No, wheat in general is, I mean, most crops probably.
Oh, yeah.
If they're not organic.
The show. Actually, Wholefoods, their organic pasta isn't even that much more expensive than regular pasta anyways.
Yeah, that's right. Check it out guys, stir fry blend.
And we're gonna do our noodles with our vegetable broth, so it should be yum, and we'll add some more things too.
So Taylor just discovered that a few of our potatoes have gone rotten in the bottom of the bag. We didn't even notice. It might be one of the ones that froze the other week, but I won't give you guys a close-up. We need to get rid of this.
Guys, check it out. The vegan jerky. This is one of the better ones I've had.
Yeah, this one's so good.
Perky jerky, the sea salt one. Pretty yum.
Alright, so we're going to go past the Starbucks now and see if it's up to scratch. See what Taylor thinks of it. And if it's no good, we'll probably go down to the Home Depot. Let's go.
Aye, aye.
She started the car and I made her turn it off so I could do the recording. That background noise, I don't like it. Well, the best quality for our viewers. Don't we?
Hell yeah.
That's right. Yeah, the security guard's looking at us. He was asking me what was in our 5-gallon water jug. He's like, is there spirits in there? Or what are you guys making with that? I said, no, it's just water. I didn't tell him we live in the van though because I've noticed people around here don't really get it. I was telling a guy the other day, I said, oh, you know, I live in my van with my girlfriend. And he's like, what? And I said, yeah, you know, like van life. He's like, what's that? I said, you know, van life, like on YouTube. He didn't know what I was talking about. He said his friend lived in an RV once. I said, no. Oops. Anyway. Babe, can you drive easier so my phone doesn't fall over?
Sorry, cheese. I can try.
It's like completely out of your control.
Okay, so this is like a mega small lot.
Yeah, but I was thinking like one of these spots.
Yeah, like right by the dumpster.
Yeah. The only problem maybe is the drive-through.
I wonder how late it's open.
I don't know.
Should check. Because the workers might be like, oh, we never seen that van before.
They probably won't care though, I think.
Really?
Yeah, I think they won't care, yeah.
I wonder if they almost look chill enough that we could even tell them.
Nah. I don't think there's any reason to tell them.
That's true.
Ella and I are just looking at the Starbucks now. She looked online and they're closed at 9. Was it?
9:30.
9:30. So they'll probably be cleaning till a bit later, till 10 or something. Problem is it's a small lot, so we're pretty close to the main building. And also we'd be right up next to the drive-through. So people would be coming past us, probably in the morning at least. Like we wouldn't park up here until about 9:30, you know. But then in the morning it might wake us up, you know, people commuting to work or whatever, getting their coffees.
Like 6 a.m.
Yeah. Unfortunately, it's a pretty small lot.
I'm a little bit feeling Home Depot for that reason.
Yeah,
It'll
me
be
too.
a bigger lot. It'll be more comfortable.
Yeah. Okay.
Should we just do it?
Probably Home
Check
Depot.
it out. Okay. So I was thinking kind of the entrance where we came in would be best because I saw some stacks like these. I thought it looked like it'd be good there. The only problem is it's kind of bright. Or along this side road, it's kind of darker. So let's go check it out and see.
Yeah, that spot's way too loud. And plus, it's all like tradey stuff as well.
Right. This is a good like strategic spot because it's kind of darker and
Yeah. You won't be able to tell, but this car park's really slanted.
yeah, it's on a big incline.
Yeah.
So my other thoughts were down here at this end,
Yeah.
kind of going up to that corner. So I was kind of thinking like right here seems like
I actually
a
think
cozy
this is a
spot.
really good spot, yeah.
It's kind of dark, the incline is fine,
Yeah.
and we're like far enough away from the Home Depot that
It's
people
not
might
a
not
problem, yeah.
be noticed by us.
Only thing is we're near the entry and exit, and we're near that road.
That's
Yeah.
true.
But that said, you wouldn't want to be further down because that road's the busier one of these two.
Yeah, for sure.
Hmm.
There's not going to be cars coming in the lot late. There shouldn't be at
I think we'll be
least.
fine here for a night.
Yeah. Do you think we should stay in this spot or move a little bit?
I really like the spot you've chosen. I think
And
it's a
we're
really
right
good
next to
spot.
like a patch of grass and a tree.
Yeah.
That always makes parking lot parking feel a little bit bougier, as
Yeah.
if you can be right next to like a plot of grass.
It really does, yeah. Or dead grass, but
Makes me
anyway.
feel more comfortable. Cool. Should we do it?
Yeah.
You think we should keep these up, our side window things up tonight? It's kind of like, yeah, it'll probably be fine. It's a lot better if we don't have it, but I kind of like it anyways for the privacy. It would be
Yeah.
perfect if these were black on the outside.
Yeah.
Like just sew a little bit of fabric to the outside so that if people are looking at your van, it doesn't look silver.
I think it's better without it because we're near that road, so if a cop went past with the silver on there, it would stand out.
Yeah.
But without it, we wouldn't stand out. They'd probably think nothing of it. They'd probably just think
so?
we're packing in Home Depot or something.
Yeah.
I think lose the silver tonight, actually.
Okay.
Just the front one will be okay.
I trust your judgment.
I've got good judgment. Actually, since I've been with Taylor, I don't think we've had to move on, have we?
No.
Since I've been here, so
We've
you know,
not once had to move on.
pretty good judgment.
I've only.
Because Taylor on her own, she's had to move on.
Yeah. I've only done it once, and I parked at a really terrible spot.
Yeah, you did.
I parked like right on a beach highway type thing, so it was pretty obvious. I was the only one parked there.
Okay, I'm going to show you guys outside, and then I'm going to hop in the back. Just trying to explain to Taylor how much water to put in to de-thaw the frozen vegetables. And it's like, you know, there's a reason we cook really simple, and it's not just because we're lazy. It's because one of us doesn't know how to cook, and the other one knows how to cook, but only a little bit. But more than Taylor does. Looks like she left the lights on. Oh, no, they're gone off. Alright, it's a little bit noisy around, but I'll show you guys anyway. So you can probably see the van behind me. It's a helicopter. We're pretty exposed. But, I mean, like Taylor said, Home Depot's open late, opens early as well. Wow, that's loud. Maybe I'll wait till after that. Always the same. Every time I film. Yeah, okay. So, again, a little exposed, near a slightly busy road. The noise isn't too bad though. Alright, so you can probably see Home Depot up there. This gives you a bit of an idea of the lot. Still pretty full, pretty busy. See that road way down there, that's the really busy one. This one that's next to us isn't so bad. How's it going?
It's going good.
Uh-huh.
We just need a propane bottle for that side door.
Oh, okay. What's the problem?
I can't get the cap off.
Do you unscrew it? Jesus.
Usually they just kind of pop off. I'm not sure I trust this camping stove so much. It's like
Been dropped a few times.
apart.
Alright, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Matt. So tonight we're going to make a nice hearty ramen soup. Got to start with your organic stir-fry vegetables. Going to pop them in the pot there. And then light your trusty gas stove. Being sure to open a door for ventilation first. Add yourself a bit of water. And thaw out those vegetables. Alright, once it's been simmering for a few minutes, go ahead and add your vegetable broth. Give it a little stir. And then we're going to go ahead and add our spices. Touch of ground ginger. A sprinkle of garlic. Just a hint of onion powder. And a few tablespoons of soy sauce. And don't forget the special ingredient. The rice vinegar. Now, if yours is duct taped too because it's been leaking, just remove the duct tape, undo the lid, and just give it a splash. Now, if you added too much like I just did, throw it out and go back to Wholefoods. Now to add your pan po rice noodles. Just like that.
Fuck.
And they'll be ready in about 6 minutes. So by now the noodles and the broth have thickened up a little. It's about time to turn the heat off and just let it cool for a few minutes. And then you can serve it up. And portion is for about 2 people. You think we're going to be good here tonight?
Yeah, I think we'll be fine. So far,
Yeah.
pretty cozy. Not too loud.
I'm pretty tired.
Yeah, me too.
Alright, it's nearly 10 o'clock. We're going to get to bed. See you guys in the morning. Just heard someone outside, but I heard a car start up, so I think that's probably just them going to their car. You guys saw it, there's still a lot of cars in the lot. Don't ask me why. This must close a bit later. I think we're fine. There. Well, that worked out really well. This has actually been a great place to sleep. It was quieter than the Walmart, that's for sure. Even though we were next to that busy road, didn't get bothered at all. No one even parked near us or anything. And the lot looks almost as full as it was when we went to bed. I'm going to use the facilities. It's about 8:30 in the morning. Alright. Okay, I'm in.
We've got a class starting, so I'm just trying to get logged into it. But it's kind of giving me issues.
Well, I guess that's about it for another stealth camp. Went pretty well here at the Home Depot. We've got more coming for you, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Remember to leave a comment with any questions and subscribe for more videos.